Yo, I go on the people. Yeah, boy, dumpling and butter is it. I miss a rise and grind as usual. Yeah, man, I miss yo. We hear Tommy Lee dog I drop some song dog. He man I drop like what, like 3 songs yesterday. And man I fuck up the place dog. Right now, me I listen to song 40 ball dog and me I say yeah. Song the shot still zoom me and him. Me hear YVP. I won't know YVP is like young vice president, you know? Like Jamie Roberts, them and all of them and see me? Them and the YVP. So remember the one go reading with popcorn, one go, boom, boy drop like mango. Right now me I hear like proper fade, me hear Tommy Lee, me hear I Down, and me hear Virgin, me hear who else? I think Governor, couple more artists. After popcorn, burn up rhythm dog over like a month and a half now, maybe 2 months. After popcorn done the rhythm now, and then come I put more man on the rhythm, you see me? And after, right now I'm not able to feed the rhythm no more, because my face I just did popcorn man in the rhythm. And right now, family have a song panic called Otherwise, a song the motherfucker, song the, right now I say a song the baddest man rhythm, and after popcorn done rhythm, my man them come put out the one go rhythm dog. I don't really like a move there, yo. You see me? Because when the rhythm did shot, why them never like put all like artists them on the rhythm where you see me right now when popcorn already done that rhythm there. Me have a CD with a song there one go, I mean even like play because that whole. I know if you find like 5 to 6 new songs come on the rhythm and now. It don't make no sense dog. So I don't really rate a move the way you do. YVP. I don't rate a move. If you put the whole artist in on the song, same time as when popcorn go on it. See what I say? Cause right now rhythm feel like it's a whole rhythm dog. I know if you can hear some new song there on it, you know I feel the song. Cause me hear rhythm a popcorn song, I don't want to hear it. You don't want to hear no more of that song. I wish me to Tommy Lee song mad, you see me? Otherwise, no checking your song there. When the rifle are squids, girl, otherwise song the shot dog. So me I say I don't like a move there, yo. My brother did sing one song say after when man done with him. I come put more artists for rhythm. So it's like I same thing. So I rate a movie, you see me? So I comment and tell me if I rate the movie with them like that, with the song them. It's a fucking movie. After I read him already done. Almost 2 months now and I come put fresh song on it. Fuck with that. Yo, I'm out, yeah.